Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I'm going to be unboxing the latest Fat Quarter bundle that's come in from Fat Quarter Shop. I think this is probably the Moda bundle. Um, Lori Holtz has been behind a couple months, but I still really enjoy getting those, so I'm patiently or not so patiently waiting for those, but I think this is the Moda one that shipped. So, let's jump right on in and see what we got. Okay, guys, I really like getting these Fat Quarter bundles. They definitely help with all of my backfill, all of my stash building that I have going on here. And whenever I need something, it's always sitting there waiting. Okay, so this is the newest fig tree. Maybe, is it the newest? It's a new fig tree. Let's start there. I love fig tree fabrics. This is Denim and Daisies by Fig Tree Quilts for Moda, and it's one of their bundles that's just curated by the Fat Quarter Shop. So this isn't a bundle that's available anywhere else. It's just a grouping that they put together of some of their favorite out of this line. And I am super excited to get to take a look at it. So I think they always look so pretty when we get them straight out of the bundle before I unfold them and give them a different appearance, if you want to be Jenna. Okay, let me get us an overhead shot so we can look at these together, okay? Okay, so again, this is, oops, I've got you upside down. This is the Moda Fat Quarter Bundle for August 2024. These are all the SKUs that are included. So it's 12 fat quarters in every bundle that we get from them. And this is the newest Denim and Daisies. How pretty is that line? I know that Kimberly over at Fat Quarter Shop is excited to sew some different things out of it. I don't know that I have anything in mind for it. So if you have a suggestion on something maybe you're doing with this line, that would be great. But I think these are going to be super pretty. Sorry, I've been a little under the weather and my voice is failing me. For the last 4 days, I have not yelled at a child, haven't screamed across the house that it's somebody's turn to do dishes, and I think I made up for all that today. Okay, so if you're familiar with Fig Tree, I feel like we've had this print. I think I'm using a different version of it in a quilt right now. I am. Huh. I wonder if I could line it up. Let's see. Oh, maybe it is slightly different. It looks very similar to me. Oh, you can't see it. It's all blown out on the camera. Let's see. Where's my orange? Okay. I knew I had it in several colors, so I've seen it definitely, for sure, in green before. So here's, oops, moving you the wrong way. So there's the flower print, and then this is that same flower, but in a green. So this is a print we've seen before from them, or at least incredibly similar, and I'm happy because I love it. It almost feels a little bit tropical to me, but it's not over the top. So I definitely enjoy that. And this is a very rust to cinnamon color. It's not red at all, and it's definitely not brown. I would call it like a rust cinnamon. And then this is very, feels like, 1980s Dickies blue jean color. Definitely fits that denim theme, but I love it. And then that's a cute, fun floral print, but it's very repeated, so definitely not directional. But it pulls pretty light because most of it is that inner flower. And then we have the same thing here in denim or in a blue. I wouldn't call that denim, actually. That's just more of a blue. And then we have this, which is a fun combination of roses plus this little daisy that pulls that blue and orange back together. And then the same thing in a reverse print. Wow, isn't it wild how dramatically different those two prints pull? So striking to me. If you just mix up where the color placement is, how you can really change how a quilt feels. I like that one a lot too. That's a fun little geometric shape, but then inside of it, it almost has a little bit of a flower feel. It's a little bit softer. So we've got that in the orange and that in the blue. Oh gosh, that's cute. I don't know how to describe it. So the oh gosh wasn't like a negative, but I couldn't. How do you put this pattern into words? That's interesting. So it's got a foliage kind of here around the perimeter. And that, I don't know how to describe that. If you know how to describe that, put it in my notes for me so that I do a better job next time. Because if I'll get you a really good close up of that. When I first flipped it, like the first thing that came to mind for me was marshmallows. Isn't that interesting? Okay. Then this next pattern is all tiny dots making up this kind of whimsical floral, not floral, more just leafy. Oh gosh, guys, I'm so sorry. The words are eluding me today. I think my brain's still not on full firing on all four cylinders yet. I think I'm on standby from being a little bit under the weather. Foliage, that was the word I was looking for. Did I fill those voids with not too many uhs? Okay, and this is another cute pattern, but it has more of like a berry with the foliage. That's really fun. And then we have this almost paisley shape in with some little blue daisies, just a great little fine print. This would be amazing in a very small block where you were cutting the blocks into little tiny things. Okay, guys, so there we have it. This is our complete fat quarter bundle for the Moda Fat Quarter Shop Club. This is the monthly shipment they send out. We get our 12 fat quarters, and it's always a different designer from Moda. You know me, I love Fig Tree. I think Joanna is phenomenal, so I'm really excited to get to play with some more of her fabrics. And I would love to hear what you guys think this print looks like, and I will look forward to those comments because it could be a fun little thing. Maybe I'll create a poll over on the community tab. If you enjoy watching these unboxing videos or any of my other tutorials, please hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And until then, guys, I will see you next time.